Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily convert a hand crank forge into a blower assist forge. So as you saw in the opening credits there, I basically plugged a little plug of wire into the wall and poof, voila, we had flame and lots of it. So here recently I've been experimenting with coke. Just got a ton of it in and wanted to see how I liked it in comparison to just using green coal, and I needed to take and get some blower assistance because trying to keep a coke forge running with a hand crank blower will wear you out. So I'm going to take you around here and show you what I came up with. So down here, so hopefully I can get this in shot just fine. There we go, we should be in focus. Down here, this is just some of your standard galvanized fittings. This is 4-inch pipe. There's a 4-inch pipe T there, and it's a single wall T. There's a damper down here on this end that allows you to control the airflow, and then there's just some Mylar flex tubing you would get for dryer vents. Now, this is by no means, none at all, a safe setup if you're concerned about fire. So I would suggest doing this all in hard pipe if you have the room and the space to do so. I just needed a quick solution to test to see if the ideal would work, so hence the Mylar tubing. There's a little section of pipe that goes up inside of the bottom of the ash dump of my tweer here, and you say, but Roy, how do you stop the fan from the hand crank from blowing around backwards? If you look right in there, I've got just a bit of wetted down a rag, like a wet rag, like what you see hanging here. I just stuffed that in the opening of the forge there, and that provides all the air I need now to go straight up through the fire pot like it's supposed to. So this, by no means, this is not a permanent solution. This is a quick setup so I could be able to take and test this, and it's working out pretty good. Now I'm going to show you what I use for the power unit. So I've got this hose that runs clear back here. Yes, I know I bought too much dryer vent hose. Runs clear out here, and it goes to this, which is a central pneumatic blower. Now, what is type of blower this? This is actually a dust collection system. That's what it's meant to do. There's some air holes here. The other side, I can't really show it to you. Excuse the shaky cam. Don't have a gimbal yet. Working on it. But then it's just, it's just put to the outlet side of that. Anyways, it sucks air in, what is supposed to be a vacuum basically, to pull in dust. And then that's supposed to be blowing into like a shop vac bag. I'm using it as a blower, however, and this provides more than enough air than I will ever need for that forge in there. So anyways, I just wanted to show you that real quick. Some people had some questions and said, hey, I seen that you finally upgraded to using an electric blower system. This is my temporary setup for now, but it may help somebody out there with your forge construction and your build. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this. It's not really a pro tip, it's just kind of catching you all up with how you can convert a old coal forge hand crank to an electric blower system for not a whole lot of money and not a lot of time messing around. That's it for today. God bless you all, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. What do you think about that, kitty kitty? Was that a good video? It was that bad, huh?